Vibe is ready.
I styled my hair differently. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's cute. This is the full fit, the little long dressy dress, and my hair, jewelries. Not doing too much. I got this new hoop earring, and that is what I'm wearing. I like it. I like it simple and cute.
Morning light spills whispers on the dust of yesterday, tracing lines on silent panes where shadows softly play. Each passing season hums a tune of moments come and gone, and in the quiet spaces a new chapter's waiting dawn. The echoes of a laughter caught within a fading gleam are fragments of a story from a half-forgotten dream. Oh, the fragile dancing moments born to fade and then return, a quiet fire burning, lessons we must learn, and the beauty of remembrance, a solace in the grave, guiding whispers from the past to light a future's way. There's a subtle pull of sorrow in the turning of the tide, for all the truths we've gathered and the ones we've left inside. We build our castles on the sand where restless waters creep, and listen for the silent vows, the promises we keep. The landscape shifts and changes.